Hi, my name's Roberta. I'm 60 years old and I have osteoarthritis in both knees. I was told by 3 professionals that my knees were too quote-unquote far gone because I had bone on bone in both knees as well as some other problems. I then found Dr. Pearl and was told that she thought she could help me. And at 4 weeks, you may have heard that I was doing well and I was improved about 88%. I would say my activity level is now back to better than it's been for several years. I'm able to ski now without taking any acetaminophen or Tylenol before or after. I spend time with my grandchildren and with my dogs and my family, as well as working, and I would say I'm still about 85 to 88% better. I do have a little discomfort now and then, but again, I haven't taken any over-the-counter pain medication for it, and I'm very, very pleased how therapy has gone for me. Thank you. I want to thank Dr. Janet Pearl for my first day of pain-free skiing in 3 years. I had therapy 6 weeks ago, and I'm enjoying a beautiful day at the mountain. Thanks.